This is called Riding in the Rain. I sing to the night air, as the tears of the gods pierce my soul with ice, knives to splinters. In my mind I must ride, grit the sky, between my squinting eyes. Burn my lungs with cold flames, broken nails I exhale, a thought, a pale breath, flashing light, tides of cries, wishes upon bloodless fingertips. Lost moonlight I can feel, never touch, until a sky that whispers lying time. Forgotten tears that still stain my cheeks with regret. Wet levers, demons in pools I splash, and laugh at the constant sky, drowned in newspapers. The rain intensifies. Gems to the eyes, cigarettes float in the gutters. Side street watching, hidden stars behind a smile I never see. I'm riding in the rain.